What we're going to cover off now is the GIB HandiBrac. So if there's a bracing element that requires additional hold downs, it'll have an H after it. So we have the GIB HandiBrac, blue top bolt, 5 Tech screws to go into it to hold it into the framing. Internal walls, you locate the bracket on the centre of the framing. External walls, if it's a concrete slab like what we have here, you put your bracket flush with the inside of the framing. Timber frame floors, you put your bracket flush with the exterior of the framing. Now the blue top bolt gives you 12 kilonewton uplift into timber and 15 kilonewton of uplift into a concrete slab. Centre of the blue top bolt to the end of the bracing element is to be no more than 80 millimetres. Timber floor, 8 millimetre hole, wind your blue top bolt into it. Into concrete, you're now drilling a 10 millimetre hole. Clean out the debris that's in there, the dust, the concrete dust, etc. and then wind the bolt in. Now we recommend doing it with a socket. The reason being is if that bolt jams as you're doing it up, you can undo the bolt, all the debris will fall to the bottom of the hole, you've drilled your hole 10 millimetres deeper, minimum, and then you can wind your bolt in from there. If you're going to use a rattle gun, an impact screw gun, please be careful with the external walls. If you fracture that concrete, you're no longer getting 15 kilonewton of uplift from that bolt.